What makes the Quran truly miraculous is its timeless relevance. It is not confined to a specific era or society. Rather, its teaching resonates through the ages, providing guidance and enlightenment to all who seek its wisdom. In the past, people found solace and direction in its verses, leading exemplary lives guided by its profound teachings. Even in our present time, the Quran remains a source of guidance and enlightenment. Its verses offer solutions to the complex challenges we face, be it in matters of faith, ethics, relationships, or societal values. It is a living testament to the enduring wisdom of Allah, addressing the concerns of humanity. Dear audience, looking ahead, our future generations will continue to derive valuable lessons from the Quran. Its teachings will guide them to lead successful, righteous lives just as it has done for centuries. The Quran is not just a book for a particular time. It is a timeless guide, a miraculous source of knowledge and inspiration for all ages. The miraculous nature of Quran lies in its ability to address the questions and dilemmas of humanity, not only in the past or present, but also for the future. Its verses offer solutions to the queries. I would like to end up my talk with the note: the Quran is not just a book.